My name is Nyla, and this is a model of the sliding filament theory. It explains how muscles contract. Okay, the nerve connects to the muscle at neuromuscular junctions, which make a motor unit. One nerve has many fibers. The bone connects to the tendon, which connects to the muscle, and then the muscle has many muscle fascicles, which has many muscle fibers, or cells with many nuclei, which then has many filaments. These are the filaments. We have the actin, the thin filament, and the myosin, which is the thick filament. And simply, the myosin, or the thick filament, pulls the actin in towards the center of it to shorten the sarcomere, which contracts the muscle. Now, more in depth. And in the deceased, the ATP is no longer being produced, so the myosin head is stuck to the actin filament, which makes the muscles rigid, causing rigor mortis. When the muscle is being contracted and the acetylcholine has made the sarcolemma permeable, the Ca++ or +2 can then be released and attaches to the actin filament and forms the troponin complex, which then reveals bonding sites by changing tropomyosin right here. When the muscle is being contracted and the acetylcholine has made the sarcolemma permeable, the Ca++ or +2 can then be released and attaches to the actin filament and forms the troponin complex, which then reveals bonding sites by changing tropomyosin right here. The ATP will hydrolyze instantly to form ADP and phosphate, which will allow the myosin head to attach to the binding site and pull the actin filament towards the center, and then will stay attached until then the ATP and the phosphate will be used up. Then the myosin head will stay attached until another ATP comes along and allows it to detach. Then it will hydrolyze again to be ADP and phosphate and continue until the troponin is used up. Then once the Ca+2 is removed and the troponin complex is no longer there, the tropomyosin will then reblock binding sites. And in the deceased, the ATP is no longer being produced, so the myosin head is stuck to the actin filament, which makes the muscles rigid, causing rigor mortis.